Hey guys, I want to share with you an item that flips really well on Facebook Marketplace. Now you might not know what exactly this is, but this is a bike rack or a bike carrier. And I want to share with you a brand to be on the lookout for at thrift stores, at garage sales, and even estate sales, even on Facebook Marketplace to reflip back on Facebook Marketplace. You never know what you'll come across, but especially at garage sales and thrift stores, the brand is Thule. Now this is a bike rack. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not like a super duper expert when it comes to bike racks. I probably flipped maybe 10 of them over the last 7 or 8 years. I learned about this from the Bonafide Hustler. But you know, this device, you guys all know what it is. It goes on the back of a vehicle and you're able to, you know, strap in your bicycles. There's different types of bike racks. There's ones that connect to a hitch, and then there's the ones that just connect to like the back of a vehicle for cars and whatnot. Of course, there are bike racks that go on top of your roof and stuff, but those are a different system. Most commonly, you're gonna come across these types of bike carriers that either fit 2 to 3 bicycles. Sometimes there'll be 4. And essentially how this works is, just to give you guys some tips, is they sit, you put the frame over this and then you strap in both sides. So just make sure that the straps are in good condition and intact. Also, I'm trying to get myself into frame. Make sure these are in good condition. These have a little bit of wear, but it's nothing serious. You just want to make sure everything is mechanically sound. And the reason I love these is they flip all day long on Facebook Marketplace and they flip quickly. Now this right here, I'll probably sell this for maybe $50 to $60. I paid $7. How much did I pay for it? I think I paid $7. Do I have the price tag on it still? I paid $7 or $8 for this item. $8.49, I'm sorry. I paid $8.49 for this item. And again, I'll probably flip it for at least 50 to 70 bucks. Now, the downside with Facebook Marketplace is, of course, you know, you got to meet up with somebody. But the thing is, you know, you can vet these people. You can, you know, ask them some questions. You can let them know it's in good shape, so on and so forth. One quick tip is you could always meet at the police station if you're worried, you know, maybe you're a female or you're just concerned about your safety or whatever, right? It doesn't even matter if you're a male or a female. Like, people are crazy out there, but especially the ladies out there, you know, meet at the police station just to be safe, right? Just to make sure that, you know, nothing bad's gonna happen. But yeah, these flip very, very well. As you guys know, I love to flip bicycles. Thule is definitely a great brand. If you guys want me to make a video in the future talking about different brands, I can most certainly do that. If this was a 3 bike carrier, it would be worth more. If it was a 4, it would be worth even more. But this is definitely solid, good shape, good condition, and that'll be a good flip. So be on the lookout for Thule. If you guys want to learn more about what to buy and sell, check out the Reseller Sourcing Handbook, study those sold listings, and be sure to keep watching more videos. Much love.